So we just got back from our grocery haul. Say hi.
Hi.
Last time we did a monthly grocery haul, and we didn't like doing that. So this time we are doing a weekly grocery haul, and we went to Aldi, so we will show you what we got. So here is our Aldi grocery haul. We got all of this stuff, a week's worth of groceries. If you watched last time, I said we spent about $150 a week on groceries, and we're really trying to trim that down. We had some budget cuts in our budget, so we're trying to aim for $100 a week instead of $150, and we came pretty close. We spent $110 this time, so we did better. So let's look at what we got. We got these chicken tenderloins for $4.99, and they had chicken leg quarters for, I don't even remember, I think they were 89 cents a pound or something like that. So we got a package of those. And I've mentioned in previous videos that we do keto. We don't follow it 100%, so you may see items in here that are not 100% keto, but for the most part it is. We got some breakfast sausage. We got a package of pork chops for $6.45. We got two packages of hamburger. They're both 2.5 pounds. We're going to make some spaghetti. The girls and Garrett like spaghetti squash. And we're going to make tacos and probably some hamburgers. We buy this hard salami. I think it was $4.99. We use this for quick snacks and quick lunches. And for another quick meal, we get the sausage. And we just saute it up with peppers and onions. Come around over here and see what else we have. We have some sour cream and cottage cheese. They had these cauliflower bakes and a broccoli bake. They're fairly low in carbs. They were $3.49, so we thought we'd try those just for something different. Of course, we have our riced cauliflower that we use for stir fries. And we have a couple of bags of these steamed broccoli florets. That's a favorite in our house. We eat a lot of broccoli. We bought a box of elevation bars. I'm not sure how much these were. It seems like in the past we paid like $3 or around $3 for them. But they weren't marked very clear. So we either paid $2.39 or we paid $4.99. One of the two. Hopefully it was $2.39 because $5 is a lot for one box of those. And these aren't totally keto, but they are low carb, and they really help when we are craving our candy bar. And these ones are the chocolate coconut is what we like the best in our house. They have several other flavors, but this is our favorite. We have a couple bags of cheese. We get the ham and turkey. It's not the greatest quality, but it works for quick. We'll throw it on salads or whatever, or even sometimes just roll it up with cheese. And we have string cheese and a couple other sliced cheeses. We have 2 cans of pumpkin. We're going to make pumpkin muffins, keto pumpkin muffins. If you watched our keto baking day, we made some berry muffins. We're going to use the same recipe because we really liked that recipe. But instead of berries, we'll just put pumpkin in and probably throw some pumpkin pie spice in there too. So we're excited to try those. And those will be breakfast and snacks for this week because, as I've mentioned before, we're sick of eggs and bacon. You got a thing of ranch and some olive oil. This was only $2.99. We got some marinara sauce, and I realize this is not keto, but we just get regular spaghetti sauce. We don't eat it that often, and it's okay. It won't hurt us too much. And then, of course, Jenica has to have her ketchup. And we have our spaghetti squash. This huge spaghetti squash was only 59 cents. We got a bag of apples for snacks. And we have some bananas here. The kids and Garrett have them for snacks. I do not, because I am allergic to bananas. We got a bag of Brussels sprouts. We like to roast them. And then we have the salads. We just chop up one of those for lunch and throw in some tomatoes and cucumbers usually. And we have a bag of asparagus. This is one of the girls' favorites. I'm not a fan, but the girls like it and Garrett can tolerate it. So we still eat it, and the dogs like it. And then we have this thing of tomatoes, and I know they look funny colors, but they're supposed to look like that. All the other tomatoes were not ripe that they had there, so we didn't get them. So that concludes our Aldi grocery haul. Almost. I forgot I have 2 dozen eggs over here. Way over here. I ran out of room. So we have 2 dozen eggs this week. And that concludes our Aldi grocery haul. We do have a mini Meijer haul, and I will show you that. So then over here we have just a few items we got from Meijer. Of course, we got our Zevia. Everyone that watches our videos knows that we really like Zevia. Some of the flavors, some are not so good. Garrett's favorite is the Mountain Zevia. I like the Mountain Zevia, and we also got black cherry this time. My favorite is the grape. Jenica loves the cola, and Kayla really likes the cream soda. We also got this bubblegum soda pop. It is not keto, but Jenica really wanted to try it, so one of these days we'll try it on probably on one of the homeschool videos that we do. And then we got a couple things of Powerade Zero. This was the only flavor they had, and they were pretty much out of the bigger size bottles too, so we had to get these. And while I was at Meijer, I thought, well, I have that huge spaghetti squash that's probably big enough for 2 meals. We're going to do spaghetti with it one night. But then I thought, well, why don't we just get some Alfredo sauce and do that another night. And the Alfredo sauce isn't keto, of course, but there is only 2 carbs per serving, so we figured it was okay. And we spent about $20 at Walmart, so that brought our total up to $130 for the week, which is still less than what we were doing. If we didn't buy all this extra stuff, it would have been $110. But we're really, really aiming to get it to $100 or less. If you have any tips on how to do that, that would be great. Because, like I said, for the most part we do keto, and keto is not very cheap. Thanks for watching. Bear, what are you doing? We just got back from getting some food. We did some shopping, and Bear wanted one of the bags. She was trying to steal the bags that still had food in them, so we hurried up and emptied one so she had a place to play.
Be sure to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to hit the notifications bell so that you'll get our latest video when it comes out.